Oh, good morning, my friends. Today is Friday. That means we get not only these vegetables, onion, garlic, we have potatoes here. That means we get Pellkartoffeln mit Quark und Hering. And again, as we have no quark, we try to make the best out of this. Sour cream, Australian yogurt and Greek yogurt. But instead of herring, we use crazy cut yellowfin tuna, which is a very nice meat and a good replacement of the German herring. So we have now garlic and the onions and the stuff. It's getting small now. We have the potatoes. We put the potatoes now in the water. All in the water. Take maybe 15-20 minutes. Then we can take it. So in the meantime, we have the quark, whatever it is. What is it in English? Cheese, covered cheese. The quark. The name. Okay, and this is the onion, the garlic, and so on. And that comes now. Can you put that into that, please? Just stir it under it till it is one nice consistence. So this is now ready. And this is the salmon, crazy cut, little unconventional, but it will be very tasteful, even it is not herring like we have in Germany. Potatoes are still cooking, they need another 10 minutes. And the fish now comes to the pan, also 10 minutes. We put in. That is tuna crazy cut, small and irregular pieces, but nevertheless very tasteful. So the cream is already on the table, also the banana, but we are still waiting for the potatoes and for the fish, but that is nearly ready. Oh! That is a jacket potato. The Pellkartoffeln are ready and soft. And now the fish is coming. Not herring like in Germany, but it is toothfish in tuna in curly cut pieces. Thank you. And we have the cream, just a moment. So now we have everything on one plate. Pellkartoffeln with quark and herring, in this case jacket potatoes with cream and tuna. Bon appetit, or sarap kain nana. Okay, bye bye. And of course the banana is waiting.